Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Stylebytaz. As you can see, the scarf is in my hand, so today is all about the scarf look. So let me show you a 10 different way of making your scarf as your top. So let's do it. This scarf is 36 by 36. So the style number 1, I'm gonna fold it in halfway like this triangle look, and this edge you actually have to fold it this way and you can pin it. So what I'm gonna do, I have already a chain in my neck. You use the pin and you just have to put this edge into the chain and pull it inside, and as you can see, I'm just putting the pin. That's it. And once it's done, it's gonna be this way, and at the edge you fold it the length that you want. Over the back, untie it. Okay, that's it. And you can adjust the top the way you want.
Smile for me and I grind on me, yeah. We keep prepping long nights, rock your body whole life. Don't bother the world side, twerk it like a Vegas stripper, dollar money stage mine. Billions in a cage fight, fuck their thoughts and get high, and get high. It's all about the mind. We'll be.
This is a style number 2. Same way, you have to make it like a triangle, and this time you're gonna do all the way at the back, go up, have to knot it. So when you're knotting it, you just have to go inside your bra, put it inside and drag it out, so that when you put the knot, it would be hiding the bra. So as simple as that. It just takes like few seconds to do this style, and you don't have to pay like $30 to get this top. And they sell in different brands, even in DKNY and all the other brands. They're selling it for almost $20 to $30. And I ordered this in Amazon. I will put it in the description. It's only $11 or maybe less. This look is really good with jeans. So if you are going out in the summertime, all you gotta do is wearing a jeans and the top, scarf top. Looks classy, isn't it? This is a style 3, pretty easy one. All you have to do is fold a little bit on top and just hold it. Okay, and just pull it up, and that's how it looks. The front you can adjust a little bit on top if you want a little.
Come over, I see you. I wonder it gon' be the last time.
So you can see the curve. Yeah.
Holding back these feelings, I wonder it gon' be the last time. I know that I want you so bad. In my head I'm saying fuck all of that, and I know that I'm getting on that.
Guys, this is style number 4. All you have to do the same way, put it behind, and you just have to rotate this and go all the way up. Don't worry about it yet. Knot it first at the back. It will look like this. Just go at the edge and knot it, then you can adjust. So now you go like that. Pull it as much as you can down, and either you can take off the mid part or you can leave it. It's your choice. I can also put a pin over here, just holding it together, and It's up to you how you want to wear it, but I really like this style better. What do you guys think? Style number 4.
Staying, you keep coming back.
Guys, this is the style number 5. So this is very, very simple. All you have to do is go over like that and just knot it at the back. Once you knot it, close it all the way and adjust according to your boobs. If you want, you can put the pin over here or just leave it as it is. I like to leave it as it is. It's up to you guys. Hey guys, this is a style number 6. So you just have to hold those 2 edges and tie it. Hold the edge over here and go like that. Go behind again. Tie it up. Put the knot. And this is how it looks. You can either even have a belt the middle. So guys, I'm going to use this beautiful belt. It's full of stones and it's so beautiful. It's my favorite. Let me put it on and show you how it looks.
Come over, I see you. I wonder it gon' be the last time. Holding back these feelings, I wonder it gon' be the last time. I know that I want you so bad. In my head I'm saying, fuck all of that. And I know that I'm paying much that I can't help staying. You keep coming back, and I want it.
Hey guys, this is a style number 7. Let's do it. This. And then you pull it a little bit and take this and fold over here like this and bring the 2 edges and make the knot over here. It's all like a few seconds, you know, and you just adjust according to your body.
Holding back these feelings, I wonder it gon' be the last time.
Style number 8. All you have to do is knot the edge and put it over your head like that and bring the edge from the back.
We can't get it together. I can't let you slip away. Get it together. Get it together. Oh, we can't get it together. I can't let you slip away. Get it together.
So you just have to go same way like last time I did. Not this. Like that. And then on your hand, bring this edges. Somebody's messaging me. Okay. Edges. Knot it again. Also in the middle, just knot one more.
wake up, what do that? Is this even real? Only thing that kept my heart beating. Don't wanna listen to these songs right away. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign.
Hey guys, this is the final style number 10 and really easier than any other style. So all you have to do is triangle shape and just knot it at the back of your neck. Okay, I'm gonna add a belt because I don't want this to fly. If you don't want to wear a bra, it's up to you. With this style, I like it to put in the middle a belt so it doesn't move.
Wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? I wanna mess with things so still wide awake. I only come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? Come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? Can't see the stars. I just wanna see the stars. With the sun falling down. I just wanna see the stars.
So we came to the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me which style that you liked out of this 10 and make sure you try at your home and see how it works, because in quarantine everybody's trying and doing something new, so why not this? Even if you don't go out, it's okay to wear at home and do some fashion show, guys. Love you all. Be in touch. I'm gonna post more videos like this and I'm gonna bring more style into your life. Mwah.
When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder.